So let's make the connector for programming the gateway. So first of all, we will take five female to female wires, and after taking the five female to female wire, we will cut the wire like this. So in this we have cutted the wire. We will cut the wire like this, like first and fifth wire we will cut from the middle, and remove the plastic from the wire. So you can see that. Now we will take another female wire, and after taking the wire we will joint first, fifth, and the other wire like this. So now we can see that first and fifth wire is connected with uh, one wire. So yeah, so after making the connection, we will connect a header pin. We will connect a 5 pin. We will connect this 5 pin header pin with the another side where we have 5 jumper wires, 5 female jumper wires. So we will connect one by one. Let's connect it. First, connect it first, then second, then third wire, then fourth, then fifth one. Okay. So now we have connected headers at one side, in which at the side where we had 5 female jumper wires. Now other side we have 4 female jumper wires. So let's connect these 4 with this USB cable, and this 5 pin header to the gateway. So we can see that in gateway we have ground 3.3 and TX, RX, and SPI pin. So first we will insert this 5 pin in the gateway from 1 to 5, from starting 1 to 5 pin number. Let's insert it. Okay, so we inserted the pins. So we inserted the pins like this, and now after inserting the pin, we can see that these 2 pins, these 2 wires, the wires which is connected with the 2 wires, it should go to the ground. It should connect with the ground. So we connected it with the ground. Now the next wire. So after this, second wire is the 3.3, which is white wire. So we will take the white one. We will take the white wire and connect with the 5 volt of the USB. Now the third wire is the TX. So we will connect the TX wire with the RX wire. TX should go to the RX, which is the third pin of the USB. Now we will take the fourth wire, which is the violet one. So fourth wire is actually the RX wire, and we will connect it with the TX wire. So now we have successfully made the connection of the USB with the gateway. So now after making the connection, we will make sure that before plugging the USB into the gateway, before plugging the USB into the gateway, we will make sure that we will tightly hold this connector on the gateway before connecting it to the USB. So let's after doing this, let's connect this USB to the computer, and after connecting we can see the LED blinks on the on the USB. Now open the Node MCU flasher. We just open the Node MCU and make sure to choose the correct COM port and go to the config and press the setting button, and after pressing the setting button just select the binary file and make sure that while selecting the binary file the address is 000. Now go to the operation and now press the flash button, and now you can see that the flasher has read the MAC address of the ESP8266, and the flasher tool is flashing the firmware in the ESP8266 in the gateway. So let's wait for 20 seconds, and now you can see that LED is also glowing on the USB. So now you can see that we have successfully flashed the firmware in the gateway. So now our gateway is ready to work.